young metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig review is coming from the Beauty Forever company. That's right, Beauty Forever is actually, I know I'm making a whole bunch of noise, you guys. Beauty Forever is on Amazon, and they're a really dope company. I've worked with them before. They always provide really dope units, and this is another unit that they are providing today. So me and Beauty Forever have tamed up to bring you guys this cute straight girl review. So this is their 18-inch. This is their 18-inch T-part unit, and if you don't know about a T-part unit, the way they work, so I'll show you guys. I'll actually take this off and actually show you. So the way the T-part units work is they're constructed where it's only a middle part, and then you got two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. Mine is just bone straight. All I did was just cut the lace. Now, when you do get yours, you're going to get like the that silk base lining. I cut my silk base lining out and just re-flat iron it, and then you literally just place it on the head and call it a day with no issue. You don't have to do anything. You really don't have to do anything to the unit after that. Once it's done, it's done. And it's the easiest get up and go unit, especially if you are if you definitely are a woman that's on the go. Once it's flat iron or curled, you don't have to do anything. So yes, so the density on this unit, I'm gonna say it's about about 150 because it's pretty thick. It's actually really cute straight, but I know me personally, I'll probably end up curling it one day just to get it to be a little bit more fuller or have that full look to it. The hair is super soft. It is 100% human hair, so I am able to flat iron it, curl it, and all that fun stuff, because that's exactly what I did. Because when you first get it, it is a little wonky where it's doing its own thing basically. So I knew I wanted it straight. This is actually a trend that's different for me because I usually never go with the trend, but this is actually giving me very 90s grunge vibes, like middle part with the so yes, I definitely feel as though that this wig is a very cute, especially if you're doing like wigs for the first time, so beginner friendly. I definitely honestly say that this wig is a beginner friendly wig. It does come in a wide other colors that you can purchase, of course, black. But I like this one. It was like that very 90s grunge vibe, especially for those that grew up around that time frame. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you guys like this, don't forget that the link will be down below so you guys can purchase this unit. And definitely make sure that you leave them a positive review, a 5-star review, and let them know that the Tamed One sent you to them. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,